Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today we're going to unbox these organizers, and I'm going to show you how to install them. So let's get started. So I have this two-tier under sink organizer, because under that sink over there, which I'll show you, is totally disorganized. So we're going to get it organized with this new unit. Bought this at the Container Store. And made of some great heavy gauge steel. Directions, some screws. These are some legs or extenders that we're going to have to install. All right. So those extenders, they go right in here, depending on which side. So this is reversible. You can put this on the left side or on the right side. You get the choice. It's a matter of just turning it around. So I'm going to cut these zip ties off that they have holding this in place. And these are smooth gliding tracks. So there's a long side and a short side that are depressed. Long side obviously goes down. The short side will go on this side here. And there's 4 of them. And we're going to slide this. There we go. Awesome. I have some screws, and I'm going to screw it down in the cabinet. All right, let's go to the cabinet. So you can see this is all cleared out. I took everything out of here. I have my screws here that I'm going to be using to install this. I'm going to slide this in and I'm going to place it there. And wherever I place it, you want to make sure that you're not going to interfere with anything. You don't interfere with any pipes. You don't put any screws through any pipes. So you want to make sure that you're not going to puncture anything when you drive those screws in. As you can see here, I have some wires, and I can close the door just fine. So, and it's going to slide in and out perfect once I put screws in. So I'm ready to do that. I have it aligned. I took the top part off to make it easier for accessibility. And I'm just trying to center it properly in here so it doesn't interfere with the garbage disposal. I'll have to move this, put a zip tie on this later, and fix that situation. I have my drill here, and I'm going to get one screw in the front here first. So, and there are slotted holes in the clips where this is going to Then on 2. Okay. So you can adjust it. Because once you have a couple of, see, there's a situation that I don't want where I'm hitting, so I gotta fix that. On the top here there's 4 screws, which allows you to adjust in case you have this problem of hitting. So I'm going to adjust this now so I don't have this problem. Just loosen these. Okay, I'm just going to loosen these up. Like that. And this also, these screws allow you to reverse it in the opposite direction. So that's the nice thing about this, that it's all adjustable. So I can adjust this how I want it with no problem. And that's, looks like a great spot. And free that area. And I'm going to adjust this one. And then I'm going to just make sure that clip is on there right. The clip grabs the frame and you have to make sure it's on there properly. So it grabs the wire. Doesn't grab the wire properly, then it doesn't work right. Okay. And now I'm going to tighten the back one. I only have one screw in the bracket down below until I get this adjusted right. Never tighten everything up until you know that you're all good with alignment. That looks good. So I'm going to put another screw in the front here. I'm going to slide it underneath. It would be better if this was magnetized, but it's not. Okay, that looks good. Check the door. Door works fine. That looks good. All right, I'm going to put 2 screws in the back. Okay, and now I'll put the last setting screw in place. Beautiful. Okay. And then I'm going to put the last 4 in. 3. And I have the last screw here. All right. Nice and smooth. I'm going to put the top portion on. There it is. Give you an upper view here. You can see those are where I put the screws in. You can see over here and over there. And this is smooth gliding organizer. Thanks for watching.